Are you someone who loves creativity, colors, and visuals? Do you enjoy editing, drawing, or creating eye-catching posts? If yes, then graphic designing might be the perfect career for you. Let's dive into what graphic designing is, its career scope, and how you can start learning right now. So, what is graphic designing? It's the art of creating visual content to communicate messages. Think about logos, posters, flyers, websites, social media posts, advertisements, even the UI/UX designs for your favorite apps and websites. Graphic designers use tools like Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, Canva, CorelDRAW, and Figma to turn ideas into visuals. Now let's talk about career scope. The demand for skilled graphic designers is booming across the globe. Every business wants a brand. Every app and website needs a user interface. Every influencer needs attractive posts. That's where you come in. You could work as a freelancer from home on Fiverr or Upwork, or become a social media designer, UI/UX designer, brand identity expert, print media designer, motion graphic artist, or even a creative director once you've got some experience. Graphic designing is everywhere. Marketing, fashion, education, health, gaming, you name it. Starting out, you can earn around 30,000 PKR a month. But with skill and experience, especially if you work with international clients, your income can skyrocket into the lakhs. How do you get started? Here's the good news. You don't need a university degree to become a graphic designer. Skills matter the most. Here's how you can start. Step 1. Learn the basics. Master the elements of design, color, layout, typography. Get familiar with design principles like balance, contrast, and hierarchy. Step 2. Learn the tools. Canva is perfect if you're just starting out. Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator are great for professional work. And for UI/UX, check out Figma. Step 3. Practice. Recreate posters, logos, or social media posts. Do free projects for friends or NGOs. And always post your work on Instagram, Behance, or Dribbble. Step 4. Take online courses. YouTube tutorials are free and super helpful. Coursera, Udemy, Skillshare are great options for affordable learning. If you're in Pakistan, check out digiskills.pk for free courses. The future is digital, and digital needs design. With the rise of AI, apps, websites, and social media, graphic designing is not just a skill, it's a superpower. If you're passionate about creativity and want a flexible, well-paying career, graphic designing could be your path to success. Thank you for watching. If you want more tips on becoming a successful designer or want to know which tools to learn first, comment below and don't forget to subscribe.